Good morning students, I am Reenu Giri from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. As you know that today we will start a new chapter, chapter 9, that is My Fun Day. Okay? New chapter is My Fun Day. So one day Monday went to Tuesday to see Wednesday and ask Thursday to tell Friday and also Saturday that Sunday is a fun day. And today we will learn My Fun Day. Again, one day Monday went to Tuesday to see Wednesday and ask Thursday to tell Friday and also Saturday that Sunday is a fun day. That Sunday is a fun day. Let's learn days of the week. There are 7 days in a week, right? There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is a fun day. Now let's write these days of the week on the board. Okay. Now start. First is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have to learn the spellings of these days of the week. Okay. For example, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So students, Monday is the first day of the week. Okay? Monday is the first day of the week, right? And Tuesday is the second day of the week. And Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Okay. Now we already know the days of the week, right? So let us take a small quiz. Okay. As you know that Monday is the first day of the week. Monday is the first day of the week. मंडे इज द फर्स्ट डे, राइट? ये आपको पता है कि मंडे जो है वो फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक होता है, पहला दिन होता है वीक का. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी सेकेंड डे ऑफ द वीक, लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक, फोर्थ डे ऑफ द वीक, sixth day of the week, and fun day. Okay, student? Now, what is the second day of the week? Which one is the second day of the week? Which one? Monday is the first day, Tuesday second day. So, second is the correct answer. Yes. So, Tuesday. Now, last day of the week. Yes. Last day of the week is Sunday. Now, fourth day of the week. Yes. Fourth day of the week is Thursday. Right? So, Thursday. Sorry. Now, sixth day of the week. See, sixth day. Saturday. Yes, Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Now, which day is called a fun day? Yes, Sunday is a fun day. So, Sunday. Again, we will do a quiz. The name of the quiz is before and after. Okay. The name of the quiz is before and after. What do you mean by before? What do you mean by after? Before का मतलब जैसे कि मंडे है तो मंडे से उससे पहले कौन सा दिन आया था? संडे, राइट? एंड आफ्टर का मतलब है मंडे के बाद वाला दिन, यानी कि ट्यूसडे. इस तरह से हम करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बिफोर ट्यूसडे. बिफोर ट्यूसडे. Second is after Tuesday. After Tuesday. Third one is before Saturday. Before Saturday. Before Saturday. Now fourth one is after Wednesday. After Wednesday. Fifth question is after Sunday. After Sunday. Now sixth one is before Sunday. Before Sunday, what will come? Now, which day comes before Tuesday? Which day comes before Tuesday? कौन सा दिन Tuesday से पहले आता है? आप so before Tuesday, which day will come? Before Tuesday, Tuesday से पहले हमारा क्या आया? Monday. Yes. So answer is Monday. Now after Tuesday. After Tuesday, what will come? After Tuesday, what will come? Yes, Wednesday. So we will write Wednesday. Now, which day will come before Saturday? Which day will come before Saturday? Saturday से पहले कौन सा दिन आएगा? Saturday से पहले, yes, Friday. Now, which day comes after Wednesday? Which day comes after Wednesday? Wednesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Thursday. Now, after Sunday, which day comes after Sunday? Sunday के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, जब हम स्कूल आते हैं. Sunday के बाद Monday. Yes. नाउ बिफोर संडे, संडे से पहले वाला दिन जब हमारे स्कूल में हाफ डे होता है, यस दैट इज सैटरडे. ओके, दैट इज सैटरडे. Now we will do one more quiz, that is the name of the quiz is today, yesterday and tomorrow. So what do we mean by today? Today क्या होता है? The present day. The present day. जो आज का दिन है that is called today. Okay? And what do we mean by yesterday? Yesterday का मतलब क्या होता है? जो दिन, जैसे आज का दिन है, आज के दिन से पहले वाला दिन जो गया, जो कल बीत चुका, दैट इज कॉल्ड यस्टरडे. यस्टरडे इज द डे बिफोर प्रेजेंट डे. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय टुमारो? टुमारो इज द डे आफ्टर प्रेजेंट डे. आफ्टर प्रेजेंट डे, जैसे कि आज का दिन है, आज के दिन के बाद वाला दिन जो आने वाला है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टुमारो. ओके, नाउ सपोज टुडे इज फ्राइडे. सपोज यू हैव टू सपोज, मतलब सोचना है कि आज का दिन जो है वो फ्राइडे है. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस टू यू. सो डे बिफोर फ्राइडे इज what? And on Friday yesterday was dash. So, and day after Friday is what? And on Friday tomorrow is dash. It means, so day before Friday is Friday से पहले वाला दिन कौन सा आता है? Yes, it's Thursday. Right? And on Friday yesterday was, जैसे कि मैंने बताया फ्राइडे से पहले थर्सडे आता है, तो yesterday को हम पहले वाले दिन ही बोलते हैं. So yesterday was Thursday. Day after Friday यानी कि फ्राइडे के बाद वाला दिन क्या आता है? Is Saturday. Yes. On Friday tomorrow is, फ्राइडे के अगले वाला दिन यानी कि tomorrow is again Saturday. Right? Now let's take some more examples. Okay students, this is one quiz. जैसे कि आपको पता है टुडे इज ट्यूसडे. आज अगर ट्यूसडे है तो यस्टरडे क्या था? अगर आज हमारा ट्यूसडे है तो जो कल बीत चुका वो क्या था? यस, इट्स मंडे. एंड ट्यूसडे आफ्टर ट्यूसडे व्हाट विल कम? ट्यूसडे के बाद क्या आएगा? टुमारो क्या होगा? वेडनेसडे. यस, वेडनेसडे. Now Friday. Yesterday was Friday. So now today was today. What is today? अगर yesterday was Friday, then what is today? Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. अगर कल Friday था तो आज Friday के बाद क्या होगा? Saturday ही होगा. और Saturday के बाद क्या होगा? जो आने वाला है, जो कि हमारे लिए फंडे होता है, यस दैट इज संडे. स्टूडेंट्स, let's take a quiz. Okay, our first question is, what is the day today? आज कौन सा दिन है? Yes, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Now second question is, what is 2 days after Monday? 2 days, 2 दिन after Monday. Monday के बाद Tuesday, then Wednesday, then what will come? 2 दिन के बाद कौन सा दिन आएगा? That is Thursday. So we will write Thursday. Now what is 7 days after Saturday? 7 days after Saturday. Saturday के बाद 7 days के बाद क्या आएगा? Saturday के बाद then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. कितने हुए? Saturday बाद 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7th day, what will come? Sunday. Yes. So Sunday is the correct answer. You have to write all the days of the week. After that you have to count 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7th day, what will come? Sunday. In this way you have to give the answers. Okay. Now, which is your favorite day and why? Student, which is your favorite day and why? My favorite day is Sunday. My favorite day is Sunday. Why Sunday is my favorite day? Because my favorite day is Sunday because Sunday is a holiday. Because Sunday is a holiday. And also it is a fun day. And also it is a fun day. That's why I like Sunday. Okay student, now your homework is page number 66 of your Maths Magic book, page number 66, chapter 9, My Fun Day, exercise 1. See, exercise 1, this is your homework. You have to do this homework in your textbook. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.